Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is a simile. A simile is a description to compare two things, and it's usually two different things. The next section here says this is used to show how two things are similar. So it's going to compare how this thing and this thing, they're different, but how they're alike. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. Okay, so whenever you use a simile, you're going to be using these three words, either like, as, or than. And I have some examples coming in the next slide right now, guys. I've also published some kids books. It's going to be a series of 4, could be more, but as of now, they're planned for 4. They are on Amazon, and if you have Kindle Unlimited, these books are free for you guys, so check them out. The description will be in the link below. Okay, so here are some examples of similes. So the first example I use, I'm going to use as, and it says he runs as fast as a cheetah. So we know that the he, so it's a person, is running as fast as a cheetah. They're two different things. One's an animal and one's a human, but he's saying that he runs just as fast as a cheetah would run, right? So that's where you have the differences of what they are, but the similarity is that's how fast they're running. Obviously, it's probably not exactly, but to whoever is telling the story is showing that, wow, this guy's running really, really fast. Okay, so the next one is she's brave like Captain America. And if you've seen Marvel, read it in the comic books, or seen it, Captain America was a scrawny guy, but he was always brave from the beginning. So here you're using two different things, right? The person's not Captain America, it's a she. So that's the differences. And how they're similar is used with the word like right here, and it is the braveness. They're both brave. They're both willing to go in and do whatever, conquer their fears, right? Okay, so the last example is they're slower than a snail. Sorry, I'm in the way. So they're slower than a snail. So I'm describing they are, so it's a multiple people, and their difference is them and a snail. They're different, but what do they have in common? The similarity is they're slow, right? They're slower than a snail. So that's how you use a simile. Those are 3 examples using the like, as, and than. Thank you guys for watching this video. One last thing about a simile is that it is a literary device used in writing. Simple, easy, but if you want to learn more about literary devices, you can click this place above. It'll show you all the other literary devices I have currently made and I will be in the future, along with what is a literary device, and it's made up of 2 different elements. So check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share with anybody else who wants to learn about writing. I appreciate it, and I love you 3000. See you in my next video.